मुंहिंजा दोस्तो, असां हिकु दादा मोजमल जे जीवन ते फिल्म ठाही आहे, उनजो डायरेक्टर आहे कमल नाथानी। प्लीज़ उहो बि अॻियां अचनि। असां मिस्टर जेठमलानी साहिब खे रिक्वेस्ट कंदासीं त उनजो विमोचन हिते सीडीअ जो कनि। एंड मिस्टर चंदर मोजमल मंगनानी, इन्हनि जे पिता साहिब जे जीवन जी कहाणी आहे। मां राजकुमारी चंद्र जे मिसिस के बाबा घर में तव्हांजी हलंदी आहे, हिते अचो, हिते अचो, प्लीज़ अचो अचो। आओ सर। दादा मोजमल जे हिन लाइफ ते आहे त कीअं हुआ हिंदुस्तान खां दुबई पहुता ऐं कीअं उते हुननि पंहिंजे सहारे काफ़ी मंगनानी बरादरीअ खे ॿियनि सिंधियुनि खे वसायो ऐं हिते अॼु हिकिड़ो पंहिंजो एम्पायर क़ाइमु कयो अथऊं। उन सां गॾोगॾु सिंधियत लाइ जेको उन्हनि खे जज़्बो आहे उहो सभु हिन में उनजी दास्तान आहे।
Mr. Noor Jumal, you are honoring one who all honor deserves. He is a man with a rich mind, a compassionate heart, and a radiant simplicity. Above all, he is a man of humility and helpfulness.
The man with the Midas touch. But more importantly, the man with a huge heart filled with compassion, with unfathomable love for his community, country, and culture. We salute him. Muraj Mangnani. Dada Mangnani needs no introduction. A man to stand as tall as the high rises in this megacity. To build one of the largest trading companies in Dubai. To take the company from textile to electronics. A tale of an astronomical rise. Over 50 years, coupled with his untiring endeavors for serving people, have made him familiar, revered, respected. But few know there's another side to the legend. That of an indulgent family man. It is the time to know the man, the way he has been never known before. To discover stories untold. To let the heartwarming tales unfold. It is the time to know Dada. What made the man a legend? Is it the values inculcated by his father, Shri Jeevat Ram Mangnani, in blissful childhood in Tando Adam, Sindh? Or the lessons taught in the school in Karachi, in another nation, in another time?
अरे साले जो होसि कराची जीअं ॿुधां मां पढ़ंदो हुउसि पोइ ॾियारीअ ते टंडियाद में ईअं चइबो त माइटनि सां गॾु ॾियारी कजे त ॾिसां त मुंहिंजो पीउ मुंहिंजे मिटी माइटी पियो ॻाल्हि हलाए सो हिमत ॿधी पीउ सां वञी गॾियुसि चयोमांसि बाबा मूंखे पढ़णो आहे बसि मुंहिंजे पीउ खे ॾाढो गुस्सो चढ़ी वियो मूं वरी कराचीअ जे लाइ पैकिंग शुरू कई हिकिड़े ॾींहुं स्कूल मां मोटां त असांजो जेको मुनी हो सो मथे आयो चई नंढा सेठान मिठाई त खाराइणी पवंदव मूं चयो मां मञियो आहियां छा चई हा ताईं मङिया आयो
It is in Sindh, where he was married off at the tender age of 18 with a bride of 14.
जॾहिं शादी थी मुंहिंजी वाइफ वारी उन टाइम ते अबाउट 14 साल जी हुई
with whom he would go on to form the longest partnership of his life.
पंहिंजो 45 में शादी कईसीं मां 14 साले जी हुअसि ऐं मुंहिंजो हस्बैंड 18 साले जो हो शादीअ खां पहिरीं असां ॾिठो कोन पर मुंहिंजे कज़िन जी शादी हुई मूं हिनखे दरीअ खां लिकी ॾिठो पंहिंजे कज़िन सां गॾु पर हिन मूंखे कोन ॾिठो मूं हिनखे ॾिठो मूं चयो भई चऊं ॾाढो भई छोकिरो सुठो आहे त चयमि ॾिसां कहिड़ो सुठो आहे पोइ शादीअ राति असां पाण खे गॾियासीं तॾहिं ॾिठोसीं हिक ॿिए खे
1947 brought partition, the trauma of being uprooted from homeland. Muraj carried the pain and the values across the border. Both would reside in his heart forever. The pain would make him responsible for the entire community, and the values would guide him in his journey. From Sindh to Jodhpur, Jodhpur to Pushkar, Pushkar to Kolkata, Kolkata to Mumbai, and finally to Dubai. From being a clerk to being the chairman, from anonymity to celebrity.
He's such a nice, gentle, affectionate, तमामु humble माण्हू आहिनि चवंदो आहे be good, do good. ऐं सच पचानी he lives by his principles.
For all his achievements, he remains a simple man with simple needs, like traditional Sindhi cuisines. Ask the cook and he will rattle off the names of his favorite dishes: Sial Mani, Kadi Chamar, Machi, Dal Pakwan, and Sai Bhaji.
डैडी के वाकई में सिंधी खाधे जो ॾाढो शौक़ु आहे. Whenever he comes to India, we ensure that we cook typical Sindhi for him. He's also very fond of desserts. I always make chocolate mousse and baked yogurt for him.
के सुठा कपड़ा पाइण जो शुरू खां वठी शौक़ु हूंदो हो. So whenever he is in Bombay, he'll go around the place, look for the colorful shirt for his parties. He has remained always a party man.
Dada loves his parties. So does one and all. Yes, his parties are often the talk of the town. Where Dada indulges his guests endlessly with his trademark hospitality. He makes his celebrations lavish and grand. Those who have attended them did only one thing: to wait for the next invitation. But then, parties are not just the only thing from which Dada seeks joy. We cannot forget his profound love for music, especially the bhajans by Dada Dukhayal.
दादा को ज़्यादा सिंधी सॉन्ग से प्यार है, उसके बाद हिंदी, पुराना गाना ज़्यादा पसंद है। क्या ख्याल है आपका?
Music has remained integral part of his daddy's life. सुबह जो निंड मां उथंदा म्यूजिक चालू, जेसि ताईं राति जो सुम्हनि पोइ भले हिकु थी वञे ॿ थी वञनि. Whether he's in the drawing room or bedroom or even in the bathroom.
The sweet aroma of his personality has made people stay with him for years.
ॼाण थो त 47 साल असीं गॾु रहिया। हिकिड़ी चुल्हि ते खाधो ठहंदो हो, हिकिड़े टेबल ते खाधो खाईंदा हुआसीं। उन मां घणेई फ़ाइदा हुआ त न सिर्फ़ु धंधे जे टाइम ते धंधे जूं ॻाल्हियूं करे सघबियूं हुयूं, पर खाधे जे टाइम ते बि ख़्यालनि जी ॾे वठि थींदी।
With this elevating simplicity, with this warm affection, Mooraj Mangnani became Dada for one and all. He has inspired his friends and family to a great extent.
It is always good to have friends, but a friend like Mooraj, it's a must in a life because you interact with him and he always keen to transfer certain knowledge and philosophy to you. Over the years, I didn't only learn how to do business from him, but also I learned philosophy of life, how life is, how the relation is, how to keep it and continue to keep it.
For Dada, adulations and honors flow like a river from every walk of life. But there are a few special ones because they come from eminent people.
दुबई में छा कमु कयो अथसि, दुबई जे सरकार खे बि ख़बर आहे। साॻे वक़्तु कल्याण में वञो, उल्हासनगर में वञो, लोनावला में वञो, जिते बि वञो तिते संदसि दरिया दिलीअ जी तव्हांखे निशानी मिलंदी, उन जी एविडेंस मिलंदी। वॾी ॻाल्हि इहा आहे त कंहिं बि सिंधी भाउ खे का बि तकलीफ़ हुजे ऐं उहो सिंधी भाउ तकलीफ़ में हिन जो दर खड़काए ऐं मदद जी घुर करे, कॾहिं बि को बि इंसान हिन जे दर तां नाराज़ थी न मोटियो आहे।
Years back, with this determination, he set off for Dubai all alone. A city without electricity, water or telephone. But then, all great journeys have been taken by one single man. So, a life of comfort was shunned in favor of uncertainties. His family was left in Mumbai. For them, the wait continued for 3 whole years.
When Daddy left for Dubai for the first time, I was just 5 years old kid. वापस मोटिया त मां 8 साल जो थी वियुसि। ये 3 साल असांजा ॾाढा ॾुखिया गुज़रिया। 3 सालनि में डैडी खे ॾाढो मिस कयो।
And for his wife, it was no less than a 14 years banvas.
मां फैमिलीअ सां गॾु रहंदी हुअसि। मुंहिंजा 2 ॿार नंढा हूंदा उन्हनि खे मूं संभालियो ऐं हीअ वॾी मुसाफ़िरी करे आयो। पोइ मूं 14 साल बनवास भोगे, पोइ मां हमेशह लाइ हिते आई आहियां।
On the other hand, in Dubai, a mammoth task awaited this single-man army. And he battled it with his ability to do extreme hard work.
बारह बच्चा सब हिंदुस्तान में, दुबई में अकेलो थी गए। खूब कम कर सुबह का रात तक।
भाई मूर्जमल जी जेका ज़िंदगी आहे ॾाढी हिमत भरी गुज़री आहे। Dedication and attitude towards life of Mr. Murjmal is really rare. While working here, he proposed to the bosses of the company, the directors of the company, that let me continue the work here for 1 more year. If you are not able to cover your expenses, I will not claim my salary.
दुबई अॼु जी न उन वक़्त जी दुबई जिते सिर्फ़ बहजा उला थे निकिता, छाकाणि पूरो रेगिस्तान हो। पीअण जे लाइ पाणी राशन ते मिलंदो हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटीअ जो किथे बि नालो निशान न हो। अहिड़े ॾुखे वक़्त में दादा पंहिंजे त्याग, तपस्या, पंहिंजे हिम्मत और चाई, लगन ऐं आत्मविश्वास सां पंहिंजा पेर उते मज़बूत कया। न सिर्फ़ु एतिरो पर हिकु अहिड़े वृक्ष जे रूप में उभरी आया जो जेके बि उन जी छांव में वेठा उन्हनि आनंद पातो।
The journeys made the man. The duties made the man. As much as duties to work towards his family. For someone staying thousands of miles away, it was not an easy responsibility to bear. He made up for the lost time, kept up with his growing children by traveling together across the country.
हर साल असीं पंहिंजो प्रोग्राम सेट कंदा हुआसीं। असां पूरो साउथ इंडिया बाय रोड कयोसीं। यस, हैदराबाद खां शुरू कयोसीं। 15 ॾींहं साउथ में, माना 4 स्टेट्स। 1968 में पूरो राजस्थान ॾिठोसीं। तंहिंखां पोइ कश्मीर ॾिठो अथऊं 2 दफ़ा। तव्हांखे यादि आहे डैडी?
बराबरि।
डैडी इज़ अ मैन ऑफ प्लानिंग। जॾहिं असांजी वैकेशन अचण वारी हूंदी त असांखे ॾाढो इंतज़ारु हूंदो त डैडी कॾहिं थो अचे, हिन दफ़े असांखे किथे घुमाइण वठी हलंदो। पर डैडी प्लानिंग करे अलॻि अलॻि शहरनि में असांखे हॉलीडेज़ ते वठी वेंदो। हिकु दफ़ो त हिक ई ट्रिप में कन्याकुमारी बि वियासीं ऐं कश्मीर बि वियासीं। पर इहो महीनो 15-20 ॾींहं जेको बि असांजी ट्रिप हूंदी हुई, डैडीअ सां गॾु, मम्मीअ सां गॾु ॾाढो मज़ो ईंदो हो ऐं असांखे सदाईं हिन जो ॾाढो इंतज़ारु रहंदो हो।
But for Dada, the meaning of the word family was different, stretching beyond his wife and kids. It included relatives and their relatives. He wanted them to stay together and arranged for the same. The house in Bandra was his endeavor to create a permanent base in India, even with the flourishing career in Dubai.
किको बि वॾो किको जेको मां नालो कोन वठंदी आहियां, किको चवंदी आहियां असांजा बि, त उहो कमला, चंद्र, ॿार बच्चा सभु गॾु आयासीं। पोइ हिन घर में अची रहियासीं। सचुपचु ईअं सम्झूं था जेतिरो इहो गॾिजी मौज आहे उहा मिलणी कान्हे लाइफ में। ऐं हींअर बि दुख में सुख में ॾाढो असीं ख़ुशि आहियूं। ख़ुशि माना वेरी ख़ुशि।
It reflects the sentiment of a man who had lost his home once. Probably that's why he said, what happened during partition should never happen to us again. But his endeavor did not just stop at the house. Judging the circumstances in Dubai after Sheikh Rashid, he insisted on his son to stay in India.
we are lucky that Daddy's foresight and vision has brought fruits. खुशकिस्मती जी ॻाल्हि आहे त अॼु असीं पंहिंजे मुल्क में पंहिंजे कुटुंब सां पंहिंजे रूट्स सां असीं हिते ख़ुशहाल आहियूं ऐं सक्सेसफुल आहियूं छाकाणि त मुंहिंजो विश्वास आहे त इंसानु नथो कमाए कमाए थो उनजो भाॻ.
He, with his uncle, has built the business in India bit by bit. Today, his foresight has allowed the Mangnani Empire to expand well across India.
We export our products to Dubai, Indonesia, Malaysia, Nigeria, and even recently started in Hong Kong. इन सभिनी जे पुठियां असांजे दादा जो हथ आहे. उनजी हार्ड वर्क ऐं उनजो ॾिसी करे असां सभिनी खे हिकु प्रेरणा मिलंदी आहे त लाइफ में हार्ड वर्क कजे. एंड इट वॉज हिज फोरसाइट यू नो विच ही इंसिस्टेड त असां सभु बॉम्बे में ई इस्टेब्लिश करियूं बिज़नेस. जेतोणीकि मूंखे दिलि हुई त ॿाहिरि वञी करे किथे कमु कजे. अॼु जे हिन सक्सेस जे पुठियां जेको बि हथु आहे उहो दादा जो ई आहे. जेका बि थोरी घणी सक्सेस असां हासिलु कई आहे उहा टोटल उन्हनि जे ई गाइडेंस जे करे ई असां हिन स्टेज ते पहुता आहियूं.
Dada is very fond of his grandchildren, and the same is with the kids. His granddaughter traveled alone to Dubai to meet Muraj when she was just 2.5 years old.
Well, that's how amazing the bond we share is. अॼु बि मां पंहिंजे वेकेशन जे लाइ दुबई वेंदी आहियां. But the only difference is, earlier I used to wait for my vacations to start, but अॼु मां पंहिंजे ॿारनि जे वेकेशन्स जे लाइ वेट कंदी आहियां.
From age 3 to 7, the 4 good years which I have spent in Dubai with my grandparents, they have always pampered me as a kid to no extent. As a kid, he has taught me how to be very naughty at times, and he has always been my partner in all the games.
History remains witness that the tale of his family and bonds do not end here. For Dada, it stretched across the Sindhi community. Over the years, he summoned thousands of Sindhis from India to Dubai and provided them employment. But beyond bringing people about settling them down. And it meant working relentlessly to provide facilities. Even if it meant setting up an Indian high school in Dubai. Today, the centrally air-conditioned institution educates over 8,000 kids. Establishing institutes and organizations are nothing new to Dada. He has gone on doing this, and many were driven by a deep passion for the culture he belongs to and the language he loves, and is determined to uphold to the world. The flag of Sindhiyat flies high at Mangnani households in Bandra, Adipur, and Dubai. The day-to-day life is a continued celebration of tradition, a glowing testimony to the love of the origin. But at the same time, moving beyond personal satisfaction. Dada wanted his culture and language to exist and expand amongst millions.
सिंधी महिरबानी करे घर में स्ट्रिक्टली सिंधी ॻाल्हाइनि जीअं ॿार उन्हनि खां सिंधी कुझु सिखी सघनि. उन्हनि खे चइजे ई मदर टंग अथव, पर जेकॾहिं मदर ऐं फादर सिंधी ॻाल्हाईंदा ई न त वीचारा ॿार कीअं सिखंदा. एजुकेशन त अॼुकल्ह सभु कंहिं ॿार जी कॉन्वेंट स्कूलनि में पई थिए, पर सिंधीअ में जेकॾहिं ज़ाल मुड़ुस घर में जेके भाती आहिनि हिक ॿिए सां सिंधी ॻाल्हाईंदा ईंदा त इहा बि सिंधीअ खे सुठी ओज ईंदी ऐं सिंधी घटि में घटि ॿार पिकअप था करे ईंदा.
As with this Karma Yogi, it manifested into much of action. And the results are here for the world to see. With this Indian Institute of Sindhology at Adipur, he attempts to protect the rich heritage. He is the founder trustee of Indian Institute of Sindhology, which works solely for the promotion of Sindhi language and culture.
में ही जिस्मानी तौर ते दुबई में हुया, पर हुननि जी आत्मा बिल्कुलु हिंद में हुई. हिन कलाकारनि ऐं साहित्यकारनि जी पूरी परघोर करण ऐं उन्हनि खे हिमथाइण जो बीड़ा पाण ते खईं. चवंदा आहिनि कंहिं शाइर सही चयो आहे त हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है चमन में दीदवर. मां इते चवण में न हिबकंदुसि त कलाकारनि ऐं साहित्यकारनि जे लाइ दादा हिकु उहो दीदवर, हिकु उहो पारखो, हिकु उहो उन्ही निगाह रखंदड़ हिकु दूरादेश पैदा थियो जेको अॼु ताईं पंहिंजी उहे शेवाऊं साहित्यकारनि कलाकारनि खे हिमथाइण में ॾेई रहिया आहिनि.
And with Akhil Bharat Sindhi Boli, he encourages new writings in Sindhi.
अखिल भारत सिंधी ॿोलीअ खे मां सम्झां थो त 1982 खां वठी अॼु ॾींहं ताईं ॾींदो आयो आहियां. इनाम ॾींदासीं उन्हनि खे जंहिंखे साहित्य लाइक़ु आहिनि ऐं साहित्य अकेडमी अञा ताईं न मिलियो अथनि.
Dreams. Dada is all for the youth. He remains the moving spirit and inspiration behind Sindhu Youth Circle in Ulhasnagar, sitting far away in Dubai.
हिकिड़ो किस्सो थो यादि अचे त चंदुर सेठ जी सुपुत्री ऐं दादा जे पोटीअ जी जेका शादी हुई, दादा मूंखे चयो त चंदुर खे चयो कोई शाहूकार कोई धंधे वारो विसरी वञे त उनखे हथ जोड़ कंदासीं, पर ॿेली सिंधियत जे शैदान खे न विसारजांइ.
Dada has been instrumental in setting up a state-of-the-art hospital at Adipur, Jeevat Ram Mangnani Charitable Hospital, which is named after his father. As the chief patron of the We Care Trust in Mumbai, he works tirelessly for thalassemia screening and prevention. Then, there is education, for which he will always walk the extra mile. Like he did for the school in Balkanji Badi. He is there for everybody, every time, and would continue to be so. Because the journey of Muraj Mangnani has no pauses. That's why, at the age of 86, you will find him supremely busy, extremely involved with his multiple commitments.
दादा जी शख्सियत निज सिंधी मिटीअ मां ॻोहिजी तयारु थी आहे. संदसि दिलि जे किनारनि ताईं सिर्फ़ु सिंधियत ई सिंधियत भरियल आहे. अहिड़े सिंधियत जे शैदाई खे मां सलाम थो कयां.
Daddy has been an inspiring force for the new generation. His hard work, his simplicity and humility is something which we all should imbibe in ourselves.
I hope the younger generation of Sindhis will learn a lesson from his life, make him an idol and an icon, and try to imitate him and try to become at least half as good as he has been, and that will be a great contribution.
The respect and reverence took shape in the form of numerous awards that Muraj won over the years. But the greatest honor remains the universal love and adulation of people. The inspiration will go on, proliferating into newer projects like the old age home in Lonavala.
मूंखे ख़ुशी आहे त असांजे डैडी ऐं अंकल सरगवासी से लोकमल मंगनाणी जो जेको हिकिड़ो सुपिनो हो त असांजी मंगनाणी बिरादरी कुझु अहिड़ो यादगार मोनूमेंट ठाहे जंहिंखे ॾिसी सदाईं दुनिया यादि करे। मूंसां गॾु असांजो चेयरमैन श्री ताराचंद मंगनाणी, एग्ज़ीक्यूटिव ट्रस्टी श्री भगवान मंगनाणी ऐं ॿियनि सभिनी ट्रस्टियुनि जे सहारे कोऑपरेशन सां अॼु उहा शइ सभिनी जे साम्हूं हाज़िर आहे। मूंखे उमेदु आहे त तव्हां सभिनी जे सहकार ऐं शुभकामनाउनि सां मंगनाणी एल्डर्स होम खे अञा बि बहितर कंदासीं।
His dreams will go on, resting on the able shoulders of his son. They will be supported by a family of followers and us. Yes, us.
For those who wanted to sail, you became the mast. For those who wanted to fly, you gave them wings. For the lives that needed inspiration, you became the burning torch. And for hearts that craved for love, you filled them with affection. You taught by living. You spoke by actions. You gave us pride, gave life its purpose. Daddy, every day we live up to you.
It is the responsibility of every one of us to carry forward Dada's vision of every Sindhi, of every Indian.